Keyword research is a crucial aspect of any successful digital marketing strategy. It involves identifying the most relevant and high-traffic keywords that your target audience uses to search for information, products, or services online. By optimizing your website and content around these keywords, you can increase your visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs, and attract more organic traffic. This article will guide you through the process of conducting effective keyword research, helping you discover the best keywords to improve your online presence and drive valuable traffic to your website. Understanding the importance of keyword research, 200 words. Before delving into the specifics of keyword research, it's essential to understand why it is crucial for your online success. Keyword research offers several benefits. Enhanced visibility. By targeting the right keywords, you can improve your website's visibility in search engine results, increasing the likelihood of users finding and visiting your site. Increased organic traffic. Appearing on the first page of search results for relevant keywords can drive more organic traffic to your website, as users tend to click on the top-ranking results. Targeted audience. Keyword research allows you to identify the terms and phrases your target audience uses when searching for products or services similar to yours, helping you tailor your content to their needs. Content optimization. Understanding the keywords that resonate with your audience enables you to optimize your website and content, making it more relevant and valuable to users and search engines. 2. Conducting effective keyword research, 600 words. 8. Brainstorming and seed keywords. The first step in keyword research is brainstorming and identifying seed keywords. These are general terms related to your business or industry that you believe your target audience would search for. Begin by listing as many seed keywords as possible, considering variations, synonyms, and related terms. B. Keyword research tools. Utilizing keyword research tools can greatly assist you in finding the best keywords. There are numerous tools available, both free and paid, that provide valuable insights into keyword metrics, search volume, competition, and related terms. Some popular keyword research tools include Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Moz Keyword Explorer, and Ahrefs. C. Analyzing search volume and competition. Once you have a list of potential keywords, it's crucial to analyze their search volume and competition. Search volume refers to the average number of monthly searches for a particular keyword, indicating its popularity and potential traffic. On the other hand, competition measures how difficult it is to rank for a keyword, considering the number of websites already targeting it. Balancing search volume and competition is key, as highly competitive keywords may be challenging to rank for, while low-volume keywords may not generate sufficient traffic. D. Long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that typically have lower search volume but higher conversion rates. They often reflect the user's intent more precisely, allowing you to target a more specific audience. Including long-tail keywords in your strategy can help you capture relevant traffic and increase your chances of conversions. E. Analyzing competitor keywords. Analyzing your competitors' keywords can provide valuable insights and help you discover new keyword opportunities. Identify your top competitors and analyze the keywords they are targeting. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs offer competitive analysis features that allow you to uncover competitor keywords and assess their performance. F. Keyword relevance and intent. While search volume and competition are essential, it's equally important to focus on keyword relevance and user intent. Choose keywords that align with your business goals and are highly relevant to your products, services, or content. Additionally, consider the intent behind each keyword, whether it is informational, transactional, or navigational, and align your content accordingly. 3. Implementing keywords into your strategy, 400 words. A. On-page optimization. Once you have a refined list of target keywords, it's time to implement them into your website and content. Optimize your website's meta tags, including the title tag, meta description, and heading tags, by incorporating relevant keywords. However, ensure that your keyword usage is natural and doesn't compromise the readability and user experience. B. Content creation. Developing high-quality, keyword-optimized content is crucial for search engine visibility and user engagement. Create valuable and informative content that naturally incorporates your target keywords. Avoid keyword stuffing, as it can lead to penalties from search engines and a poor user experience. C. Link building. Link building is an essential aspect of SEO, and keywords play a role in it as well. Develop a strategy to acquire high-quality backlinks using anchor text that includes relevant keywords. However, ensure that your anchor text appears natural and provides value to the users. D. Tracking and analysis. Regularly monitor your keyword rankings and track the performance of your chosen keywords. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics and Search Console to gain insights into your organic traffic, conversions, and keyword visibility. Adjust your strategy based on the data and make informed decisions to improve your results. Conclusion: 100 words. Keyword research is a fundamental step in any successful digital marketing campaign. By understanding the importance of keyword research, conducting effective research, and implementing keywords strategically, you can increase your website's visibility, attract targeted traffic, and achieve your online goals. Stay updated with the latest trends and continue refining your keyword strategy to maintain a competitive edge and ensure long-term success in the ever-evolving digital landscape.